Setting this up is only going to take 5 minutes, and once you're done with that, it's going to generate money for you while you're sleeping. Hey guys, it's MrMoney here, and I'm about to show you a brand new stream of passive income that you can implement right now. You won't have to show your face on camera, create a YouTube channel, have any sort of social media following. And most significantly, you're not going to spam the internet with your links. And so all you gotta do is follow some simple instructions. But not before you drop us a like, you hit that subscribe button so we can get started. Now guys, there's not going to be anything out of the ordinary about this method. It doesn't require any particular skill, and so anybody can get involved. But here is the beauty of it. Let's just imagine the following scenario. Let's say that we've just found a website that's going to pay us $1 for each new user we bring in. What do you do next? Well, if you're anything like me, you're going to reach out to your friends and try to get those. If you get 2 of your friends to join the website, you've got yourself an additional $2. But here's the thing. Ultimately, we want to achieve some sort of compounding effect. And so if your friends also bring 2 of their friends to the website, you're making money as well. And we can repeat that process over and over again, and fast forward just a few steps and there's not enough place for me to draw them all on this board. We are talking about thousands of people. And so we are also talking about thousands of dollars that you are getting in commissions. And luckily for us, there are such websites out there which are going to pay you just for bringing in leads. And I've got 2 options for you. You can either head over to offervault.com, which is a CPA marketplace, or to cpagrip.com, which is basically going to function in a very similar manner. They have basically brought together all sorts of different networks that will provide you with different offers. Some of them just need you to provide them with leads. For instance, they want you to get people to their website so they can sign up or enter in their email address, and they're going to pay you for that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If we head over to the category section, I can select email submit, and all of these guys will pay you for emails. Now, I've got no way of telling what they're going to use those emails for. Perhaps marketing, perhaps some less trustworthy things, but it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you are not going to provide your email. Take a look at this one, for instance. This offer is going to pay $1.14 for each new lead you bring in. If they enter in their email address, you're good to go, and you're going to receive your money over and over again. There is no limit to how much money you can make here. There is always going to be demand for new potential customers, and so people want to get as many emails as they can. Now guys, are those emails going to be flooded with spam once they submit them? I've got no way of telling. I do not know. And the truth of the matter is, most of them are, because these advertisers are quite aggressive, and so they will not stop at anything. However, we are getting paid, and we're not asking users to submit their credit card credentials, we're not asking them to purchase some shady products, and instead we're just asking them to submit their email. And guys, let's face it, your inbox is probably full of spam anyway. But now guys, I can hear you. As always, everything sounds great in theory, but how are we going to put this into practice? How are we actually going to implement the method so that we can generate so many new signups and get paid for those? Well guys, it's way easier than you may think. We're just going to give people something in return. We're not going to ask them to submit their email address for free, and instead, we're going to give them a chance. More precisely, a chance of earning a PlayStation 4. Don't worry about it, we're not going to send that to them. That would be a bad investment. And instead, what I want you to do is head over to offervault.com or CPA Grip, it doesn't matter which one you choose, and type in PlayStation, and let's see what results come up. There you have it. Now, additionally, you can add some filters. For instance, you can only focus on US residents. Let's select United States here. And if you cannot find any suitable offers, you can clear the filters. However, you need to make sure that the category selected here is email submit. That's pretty much going to be the easiest one to implement, and so let's take a look at this offer. This advertiser is running a giveaway, and the lucky winner is going to receive a PlayStation 4. Now you may ask me, is that true? Is that actually going to happen? I don't know. I've got no control of what the advertiser is going to do next with the emails they receive and so on. However, we can take advantage of this offer because it is really marketable. Just think about it. You're going to receive a PlayStation 4 for absolutely free. Now, it's not 100% guaranteed, however, you've got a chance, and all you gotta do is submit your email address, which is already being spammed by hundreds of advertisers, so you've got nothing to lose. And so right now, we just need to find a way of promoting this landing page. In order to make sure we are not leaving any money on the table, I want you guys to imagine the following situation. Let's say that you see a random announcement on a website that says that you're the lucky winner of a giveaway, or you have a chance of earning a certain amount of money, or getting a gift card, receiving a PlayStation 4 just for entering in your credentials, submitting your email. You're not going to do that because it's a random ad on a website. You're not going to trust it. Or if some random guy on the internet tells you that, you're still not going to sign up. However, if that message comes for a friend, you are much more likely to accept it. You're much more likely to enter in your email address because you know and trust that friend. And that is what we're going to take advantage of. We are going to make people refer their friends. And so we're going to get that compounding effect that we are looking for. And trust me, there is no better place for doing that other than Twitter. This is literally the perfect tool for our purpose. Just think about it. What is fueling Twitter? Well, it's retweets. People are just sharing content they like with their friends. And that is precisely what we need for our method to work. We need people to share this giveaway with their friends. And luckily for you guys, I'm about to provide you with all the resources you need. We are going to create an ad. It's all absolutely free, and this is a backtesting method that's proven to work. You're going to give an additional incentive to people to retweet that post to their friends. Don't worry about it, everything is going to become crystal clear in just a second. So I want you to head over to canva.com for now and create a new design. And in order to make your work even easier, what you can do is type in giveaway. And these guys are going to provide you with thousands of different templates that you can fully customize. You're literally in full control. If you want to change the colors, change the background, you can do that for free. And it is basically just dragging and dropping. You don't even need to know your way around Photoshop. Canva.com has everything you need. And so let's just pick a design that remotely resembles what we are looking for and start customizing that. And here is one, special giveaway. We can definitely keep that part. However, as you can see, certain icons in here are going to be paid. This is not free to use, and so you can delete that, go over to the elements, and instead you can type in gifts. And that's going to display some free designs you can use. All of these ones are free, and these are the ones are paid. Let me show you. These designs that are labeled as pro need to be paid for. And now guys, here is the secret. The design isn't really all that important. As long as the purpose of this post is clear enough, that's going to work, and you don't have to worry about it too much. But the requirements are going to make the difference here. You're going to ask people to retweet this post so that they can also share the post with their friends and bring them in as well, and click the link in your bio to enter. And this is going to be the link you get from OfferVault or CPA Grip. You just click on this button that says run offer and you receive your own custom link. Additionally, you can also add this text. Both steps are mandatory so that people don't just skip the first step and click on the link in your bio. They also have to retweet the post. And another important step is going to be adding a PlayStation icon. And here's how you're gonna do that. You're just going to type in PlayStation 4 in a Google tab, save that picture on your device, so let's click on that, and then just head over to remove.bg, which is a free tool that's going to remove the background. And there you have it. We can now download the design on our computer and then upload it on Canva. Let me do that. And provided we've done everything correctly, we can now add it. Now we're going to send it to the background and then make it a little bit bigger so people know exactly what they are looking at here. And there you have it. Now I'm sure you can create a much better design than this one. And now there's only one more thing left for you to do. You're going to add the link to your bio on your Twitter account and post this icon. And now there's only one more thing you guys need to do. You're going to add the link to your bio and create a post. And whenever people retweet this post, you're going to make even more money because they're going to bring in their friends. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and now see you guys in the next one.